like my chicken fries, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio on. Said I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine, where the peaches grow. At my house it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio on. I like to see the sunrise, love in a woman's eye, feel the touch of a precious child, and old mother's love. Said it's funny how it's little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio on. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and old mother's love. God for my life, and for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly. Let it ring, salute the ones who died, and the ones who gave their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio on. You know I like my chicken fried, the cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio on.
All right, thank you guys so much. Gracias.